How's it going, guys? Julian Bradley here. I hope you're doing well. Now, for the last 2 years, I've been working on a top secret classified jazz piano project, and that's been the reason why I haven't been posting on YouTube very often. However, today is the day that I can finally reveal publicly what I've been working on. So I'm a YouTube creator. I've been making jazz tutorials for almost 9 years now on YouTube. However, there's a problem with YouTube as a teaching tool, and that's the fact that it's impossible to do anything step by step. So I end up making these random videos which jump around, but for you, the viewer, it's very hard to actually fill in all of the gaps to your knowledge. It also takes you a lot more time to learn because you end up going in circles, you end up repeating things that you already know, and it's not a clear step-by-step path. So for the last 2 years, I've stepped away from YouTube and I've created a complete step-by-step jazz piano education which teaches you jazz from the ground up. So we've got a complete course in jazz theory, going into chord voicings, then we go into improvisation techniques, then we go into arrangement case studies of real jazz songs. So the Jazz Tutorial membership is a paid subscription. It gives you access to all of these courses for as long as you need them. You can sign up for as little as 1 month and you can cancel at any time. So this would be ideal if you have some time off from work coming up for the holidays. For a lot of us, Christmas is the most time off we get all year round. So this would be a perfect time to go all in and accelerate your jazz piano learning. You can catch up on lost practice time. So I'd love for you to check out the Jazz Tutorial courses. Just click on the link below. There's full details and I'll show you everything you need to know about this complete jazz piano education. My name's Julian Bradley. Thank you for watching. I would love to work with you over the next few months with the new Jazz Tutorial training.